Now we start lecture 2 for the paper EL 1501. Paper EL 1501. The next topic is interconversion of numbers. Interconversion of numbers. Here the computer system processes binary data. The information given by the user may be in the form of decimal number, hexadecimal number or octal number. So an understanding of the system operation requires the ability to convert the numbers from one number system to another. That means we have to change the binary to decimal, binary to octal, hexadecimal to binary, like this. How to convert this? This is our problem. So first of all we discuss about the binary to decimal conversion. Binary number to decimal number conversion. How to convert this? So first of all we consider a binary number, right? If this is our binary number, B4, B3, B2, B1, B0 dot B minus 1, B minus 2, B minus 3 and B minus, okay, up to B minus 3, right? This is our binary number. We want to convert this into the form of the decimal. How to convert this, right? So first of all we want to find out the decimal equivalent of this, right? This is integer part. This is known as integer part. This is your fractional part. So first of all we convert this decimal equivalent of this is equal to, so this is equal to B4 into 10 raised to into 2 raised to binary number, that means we use 2 raised to 4 plus B3 into 2 raised to 3 plus B2 into 2 raised to 2 plus B1 into 2 raised to 1 plus B0 into 2 raised to 0 point. Point means radix, our radix. So here plus B minus 1, or we can say B minus 1, that means B0, B minus 2 and B minus 3. So this B minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus B minus 2 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus B minus 3 into 2 raised to minus 3, right? This is our decimal equivalent of this. We will take the example. For simplification we will discuss the example. Let us compute the decimal equivalent of the following binary number, right? If our binary number is 11011 binary means 2, right? So if this is our binary number, we want to convert this to the equivalent of the decimal, then how to convert this? So this is your situation. This first one, 1 into 10 raised to 4 plus this one into 10 raised to 3 plus this 0 into 10 raised to 2 plus this one into 10 raised to 1 and plus last this one into 10 raised to 2 raised to 0. So this is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 27. This is your decimal number. So we express this decimal number this way, right? So this is your binary number and this is your decimal number. So in this way we convert this, right? Now this is your integer part. Now if there is a fractional part, then the second example, if this the fractional 0.1101, this binary number, how to convert the decimal number like this. Our aim is to convert binary number to the decimal number. So this is our binary number. We want to convert in the decimal number. So for fractional part, after the point, then we will write this is equal to 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus this one into 2 raised to minus 2 plus this 0 into 2 raised to minus 3 plus last one into 2 raised to minus 4. This is equal to this 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 1, that means 1/2 plus 2 raised to minus 2, that means 1/4 plus 0 into 2, that means 0 plus 1 into 10 raised to minus 4, that means 1/60. This 1/2, that means 0.5 plus 1/4, that means 0.25 plus 0 plus 1/16, that means 0.025. So this is your decimal number 0.8125. This is your decimal number, that means we use this symbol 10. So in this way, the fraction number we convert multiplied by positive of the 10 raised to 4. Sorry, 2 raised to 4. Huh? Sorry. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. Sorry. 2 raised to 4. Sorry. And for fraction, we use 2 raised to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now, we take the example of both integer and fractional. So, for this, we can say that if our binary number is 1101.1101, this we want to convert into the form of decimal, then first of all this, so for this 1 into 10 raised to 3, sorry 2 raised to 3, this is decimal, binary to decimal, therefore 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1, this last one into 10 raised to 0 plus, now we start the fractional, this first one, 1 into 10 raised 2 raised to minus 1, sorry, starting that means 0 plus this one, 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 so this is your minus 1, this is your minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3, 0 into 2 raised to minus 3, sorry, plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, like this, right? So this is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 3, that means 8 plus 1 into 2 raised 10 raised, sorry, आज एक गड़बड़ था here. This is your 2, this is your 2. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0 plus 0.0625, and this is equal to 13.8125. This is your decimal number, right? So in this way we convert binary number into the form of decimal. See, this is your binary number, so we use only 2. This is not decimal number. In decimal to binary we use 10. Okay. Now decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. There are two methods to convert a decimal number to its equivalent binary number, and its name is sum of power method, and the second one is the repetitive division and multiplication method. So first we use, there are two methods, sum of power method and the second one is repeated division and multiplication method. Division, that means integer part, multiplication means fractional part. And its example, see, we will discuss this with examples so you understand how to convert the decimal to binary, right? So nothing more than this. The one or two example you will already get the idea how to convert the decimal to binary, right? So for this we take example. First of all, integer part, this 26 decimal number convert into the binary. How to convert, right? So for 26 decimal, it is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. That means 1 into 10 raised to 4 plus 1 into sorry, not then, again we want to convert binary. 1 into 2 raised to 4. See, this is my mistake. Same mistake you don't play, right? 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. This is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is your binary number. In this way, we convert the decimal number into the form of binary. Again, we will take second example. Second example is, if we are using 27 decimal into binary, so now we know that 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 and plus 1. This is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 4. Again I mistake, not use 10, use 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 and plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So we will get this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is your binary numbers. In this way, we convert decimal to binary in integer. What about fractional? So for fractional number, we use simple example. If we have fractional 0.75 decimal, we want to convert this into the form of the binary. How to convert, right? Again, 0.75, that is equal to 0.5 into 0.25. This is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, this is your plus 1 by 4, and this is equal to 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2, and this is equal to 0.11 into the form of the binary. So in this way, we convert the fractional number 0.75 decimal into the form of the binary 0.11. Now if we mix example is 21.625 decimal, this convert into the form of the binary. How to convert? So this 21.625 decimal, it is equal to 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125. That is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, fractional, right? Plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. So in this way we get number of 10101 point this 101. In this way we convert this binary. This method, it is not very much useful, right? And it is not commonly used, as it needs the number to represented as a sum of the numbers that are in the power of 2 forms. It may be easy for a few numbers, but it is very difficult for a large number. So for large number, there is a method which is known as repeated division and multiplication method. Repeated division and multiplication method. So here we will discuss this. The integer and fractional parts of the decimal numbers are treated separately for the conversion. The repetitive division and method is used for the integer part of decimal number, and the repetitive multiplication method is used for the fractional part of the decimal number. So first of all, we discuss about the repeated division. Repeated division. That means this is useful for the integer decimal number. Integer decimal number. So not we are discussing about the how to convert these. We are just get the example, and with the help of example we will discuss this, right? So example is 25 decimal. This is convert into the form of the binary number. How to convert? So first of all, this 25, it is divided by, division by 2. So we are getting, there is a quotient and remainder. So 12 quotient, 1 remainder. Again 12 divided by 2, 6, 0 remainder. 6 divided by 2, 3, 0 remainder. 3 divided by 2, 1, 1 remainder. In same way, 1 divided by 2, then 0 and 1 remainder. Right? How to convert this into the form of the binary? So make this upper arrow. The lowest value is the MSB, most significant number, and the highest value is the LSB, least significant number. So the answer is 25 decimal, it is equal to 11001. So we can write 11001. In this way, we convert this integer number into the form of the binary. And this is very simplest method. This is very simplest method. Now, if there is a fraction, right, then convert this fractional number 0.625 decimal number, convert into the form of the binary. Then instead of multiplication, instead of division, we use multiplication. So 0.625 into 2, it is equal to 1.25. Integer part, one. This 0.25 into 2, 0.5 integer 5, 0.5 into 2, this is equal to 1.0, integer part 1. So here from upper to lower, that means this is your MSB, this is your LSB. So we can write answer is equal to 0.625 decimal, it is converted into the binary 0.101 into the form of pi. So in this way, when we are division, we are getting integer part. When we are multiplication, we are getting fractional. Now there is a both. If there is a both, then we can say that the next example, we convert the both 57.825. Next example, 57.825. This is your decimal number. We want to convert into the form of the binary with the help of multiplication and division. Then first of all, we take 57, then 57 divided by 2, then quotient, and remainder. This is equal to 28 and 1. This 28 divided by 2, then quotient 14 and remainder 0. This 14 divided by 2, then quotient 7, remainder 0. Then this 7 is divided by 2, then 3 and 1. Then this 3 divided by 2, then we are getting 1, and this is your 1. This 1 divided by 2, this is your 0, this is your 1. So here again, this is your MSB and this is your LSB. So this 57, which is decimal, it is equal to 111001. 111001. Maximum, lowest. Right? So this is for 57. What about 0.825? So for 0.825, again multiplication, zero 0.825 into 2, it is equal to 1.650. Integer part is 1. Again this 650 into 2, it is equal to 1.30. Integer part is again 1. Again 0.30 into 2, this is equal to 0.6. Integer part is 0, and this 0.6 into 2, it is equal to 1.2. Integer part is 1. Again here, this is your MSB, most, and this is your LSB. So we can write this 0.825, which is in decimal, it is equal to 0.1101 into the form of binary. 1101, most, that means most 1101, last, that means 01, last is 1. So we can write the final result 57.825, which is in decimal, it is equal to 111001 binary plus 0.1101 in binary, and this is equal to final result 111001 point. Instead of plus, we are using point 1101. This is the binary form of this digital number 57.825. Again, one more example we will take, and I will give you homework to find the remaining. Convert the following binary number to their decimal equivalent. Right? If this is your first example, 10010111 binary, it is equal to, convert this following binary number into decimal. For decimal, we use 1 into 10 raised to 7, sorry, 2 raised to 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, and the last plus 1 into 2 raised to 0, and this is equal to 128 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1, and this is equal to 151 this is your decimal number. Yeah? Same way, if this is a fractional, second example, convert this binary to decimal. 101111 101111 point, sorry, 101111 0.11 binary, it is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 2 raised to 2 plus 1 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus, now this last two digit, 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 and plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. This is equal to 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 47.375. This is your decimal number. So in this way, we convert binary to decimal. Now convert the decimal number to their binary equivalent. One more example. 83 decimal, that is equal to 83 divided by 2, quotient and remainder, (41 and 1). 41 divided by 2, 20 and 1. 20 divided by 2, 10 and 0. 10 divided by 2, 5 and 0. 5 divided by 2, 2 and 1. 2 divided by 2, 1 and 0. 1 divided by 2, 0 and 1. So the answer is 83 decimal. It is converted into the form of the binary in this form 10100011 into the form of binary. That means this is your MSB and this is your LSB. This is your MSB and this is your LSB. Now same way we take the example of how to convert decimal into the form of the binary. So we will have one example. Here we will take integer and fractional both of same way. The example is 79.515. This decimal number we want to convert into the form of the binary. So this 79, first of all we will take 79. So 79 divided by 2, quotient, remainder 39 and 1. This 39 divided by 2, 19 and remainder 1. This 19 divided by 2, 9 and 1. This 9 divided by 2, 4 and 1. This 4 divided by 2, 2 and 0. This 2 divided by 2, 1 and 0. This 1 divided by 2, 0 and 1. So here this is your MSB and this is your LSB. So the 79 decimal, it is equal to 1001111 1001111. Now we will take this fractional number. So we know that for fractional we use multiplication. So 0.515 into 2, it is equal to 1.030 integer part it is equal to 1. This 0.03 into 2, 0.060 integer part 0. This 0.06 into 2, it is equal to 0.12 integer part 0. This 0.12 into 2, 0.24 0. This 0.24 into 2, it is equal to 0.48 integer part 0. This 0.48 into 2, it is equal to 0.96 then 0. And this last 0.96 into 2, it is equal to 1.96. Again, this is your 1. So this is your LSB. This is your MSB. So we can write 0.515 decimal, it is equal to 0.100001 binary. 100001 binary. So answer for 79.515 decimal, it is equal to 1.100111 binary plus 0.100001 binary, and it is equal to final result 100.111.100001. This way we convert this decimal number into the form of the binary. So more example. This is your practice. Convert 109.125 decimal into binary. And I will give more example. Convert this number into binary. So that's all. This complete your second lecture. Thank you.